This thing going? Yeah, it's on. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of KicOff. I got a major announcement before we get into today's video. Now, your request has been received. Your messages has been received. I'm going to be uploading videos on Monday at 8 o'clock in the morning for the next couple of Mondays. You guys asked for consistency. You asked for a schedule. I'm going to give it to you. Once those videos burn out, I'm going to re-up on some more videos and upload them so that way we could try to keep this channel consistent and grow a lot faster. For those of you who don't know me, I go by the name Info Geek. I'm helping people build from the ground up, build their credit up. I'm not rich. I'm starting from the bottom, just like the rest of everybody else watching this video that wants to fix their credit score. And guess what? You get to start with me. So today, as you can tell by the title, I got some massive news. But before I get into that, make sure you subscribe if you're looking to further your life, amplify your credit, get you a nice house and a nice car, and live the way we were supposed to live, because I'm going to be doing the best I can to teach credit, which they did not teach us while we were in school, which sucks. So like, comment, subscribe. Now let's get to the news. Now I have some really bad news for you guys. And the bad news I have for you is that TransUnion has decided to drop KikOff completely. KikOff has been dropped from TransUnion, which means it's no longer on your credit report if you go and check. Now, TransUnion was dropped off mine. I believe my credit score dropped about 13, 14, or 15 points. Now, you're going to see it at the bottom of the screen right here. That's going to give you exact number how much my credit score has dropped, which really sucked. And it just threw me back because I'm like, come on, man, this is some BS. Now, they did give an explanation, which I will be reading the email that I was sent by KicOff or whatever. So we're going to go over that. And then after we do that, we're going to make our next KicOff payment. We're going to get that KicOff payment made, and then I'm going to give my little update review towards the end of the video as to how I feel about KicOff so far. So if you're looking to get my review and all of that, this is definitely the video for you to be watching. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into that KicOff email.
Hi, Manuel. We always aim to keep you informed on the important matters that affect your credit reports. Later this week, your $12 KicOff loan will no longer be available on your TransUnion reports. What exactly does this mean? Any future TransUnion reports will not include your KicOff loan and prior payment history. This includes reports pulled from third parties such as Credit Karma. As a result of the above, your TransUnion credit score may change. It's as if you never took out the KicOff loan because there are many factors in the credit score. Everyone's scores changes are unique. Please refer to our resource below for more details. Your $12 loan is still active and is still being reported to Equifax and Experian, the other three major credit bureaus. Equifax and Experian reports will still show your KicOff loan. Why the change, you ask? This decision was made by TransUnion as part of their effort to standardize reporting. While we are disappointed by the decision, we are working closely with them and remain committed to creating the best credit building products for you. Should you do anything? We're already hard at work on our new and improved credit building product, and we're confident it will help build credit at TransUnion. Click the below button to get product updates and early access. Now, I will be clicking that to get early access. Let's go ahead and do that and see where it takes us really quick. Let's see where that takes us. Authenticating. You're all set. We'll keep you updated or when our new and improved product is available. Okay, so I signed up for early access. Now that we're actually in here, I'm going to go ahead and show you really quick where my score went down. Let's go over here to Credit Karma, shall we? Put in my password. And as you can see here, my score has went down 16 points. Man, that hurt me so bad when I seen that. I was at 653 and voila, I went down to 637. I was really trying to get to that 700 score. Just look here. I've been doing so good. You can see where I started back in July, and I just kept going up, and then boom, right back down to 637. But that's all good though. We're gonna move forward, and let's look and see if it's up here. 5 months. Nope. Only self lenders up here, aka self It's the only thing that's showing up here. KikOff is just, it's gone. It's not up here. It's like it never existed, like they said. It's just gone. You know, that's extremely, extremely disappointing for me. Now, if we check Equifax, of course, you'll still see it over here on Equifax. See, there's KikOff right there. It's still over there. Like, I don't know why they making this so hard for people to grow their credit. This is just like stupid for them to even remove it to begin with, you know? So yeah, that's just stupid. But anyway, I showed you that there. We got that out of the way.
Just wanted to cut in real quick and just say, man, reading that email was just heartbreaking. It was, because I worked so hard to get my score up, and I don't like my score going down at all. I really freaking don't, you know. So for that to happen, you know, big middle finger to TransUnion for that. Like, I don't even understand why you did that, even though it explained it in the email. But I just feel like they're trying to find ways to make it harder for people like me and for people like you watching this video for us to build our credit. Like, there literally was nothing wrong with it being reported. I just feel like people want to control too many aspects of our lives and make it a little more difficult for us to get further, which sucks. But if you on this journey with me and you're going to keep watching this series and moving up and building your credit score, if you haven't done so already, I advise you to smash that like button and subscribe and become a part of the Info Geek University family as we take our lives to another level. Now let's go ahead and make this kickoff payment, chit chat with y'all a little bit, and we're gonna get y'all up out of here. I'm not gonna hold you too long, so let's go ahead and get that done, and I'll see you guys in a second.
All right, now that we got that out the way, let's go ahead and make our payment, shall we? We're gonna click right here, see the loan, and let's take a look. Loan amount is $12. I paid $6, and there's $6 left. So we're moving through this pretty quick, guys. It's been a minute, but as you can see, we're already on payment number 7. So I'm going to go ahead and make that payment, shall we? What do I click on? Click on credit score, 654. How do you make your freaking payment again? Oh, right here. One that's due. Drop down. January 7th, 2021. This is payment number 7. Let's hit click, and voila, we almost there, guys. We almost there. Congratulations on making another payment. We've come a long way together. As you go through your credit journey, it's important to clear up any confusion you may have about your credit. We are going to learn what it is, how it works, and the impact it has. Great. Let's kick off this unit on credit reports. Boom. Let's start with the basics. Your credit reports and credit score are not the same thing. Instead, your credit score is calculated using the information in your credit report. Think of your credit score as a single number representing your credit report. Okay, so my credit report provides the info for my credit score. But what goes on my credit report? Let's ask that. Your credit report is like a receipt of the credit decisions you've made in the last 10 years. It includes loans, credit card charges, payment histories, missed payments, and so on. But it can include more than just finances. True or false, your credit can include it can include your employment history. That is correct. Right? Yes, that is correct. Is it true your credit report can have a lot on it and can include your employment history, arrests, and lawsuits? No. It's not going to show your your arrests. But why would a credit bureau care about my career and legal history? Great question. Lenders care about how likely you are to pay your money back. Bureaus are always looking for ways to better evaluate if someone is a good credit risk, so they include information they think is usable in judging someone's money habits. True or false, demographics like age, race, and sex are considered for your credit report. That is absolutely 100% true, but they're not going to tell you that. So the correct answer would be false, but in real life, that is completely true. They do judge people based off their skin color and all of this other stuff. It is false. Demographics do not determine if someone can make a payment or not. So they are not included when calculating your score. True or false? True or false? Some employers check your credit report as part of hiring process. That is true. I know banks do it, police officers, and a few other places. So that's true. Police officers and banks do that. Like if you're a cop, you can't have a bad credit score. Is it true? By some estimates, about 50% of employers check applicants' credit reports. However, employers need to have your written permission to do so. Wow. So my credit report not only includes more than financial information, it can also impact my career. How do I check my credit report? You go to that annualwebsite.com. Where is it? You can get 3 free per year from the 3 bureaus. Also be giving you access to your credit report right here on KikOff. Stay tuned. Okay, so they're going to be doing that there. Okay, so KikOff got a lot of good stuff coming. Yes, we learned something new. Thank you. All right, that's all for now. And we got $5 more left to pay, y'all. $5 more. That's 5 more months. 5 more months, y'all. We almost there. Drop a like button, man. This has been a long time coming. The consistency is just through the roof, and I really appreciate y'all for getting me here, man. I really do.
Okay, now that we got that payment made, it is time for my update. It is time for my review on KikOff. Now, there's been a couple of months since I've been using KikOff. As mentioned, I got about 6 or 7 payments left that need to be made. Time is extremely flying from when I started, and I just can't wait to have that 1-year mark sitting on my credit report saying that I've had credit with them for an entire year. That's going to be huge right there. And I'm also working on a lot of other things that's going to help report good on my credit too. So check out for the other videos, for the other series, such as Self Lender. I'm bringing back the How to Save Money series. And I got a couple of other series that I need to update also for you guys. So again, I'm going to try to become more consistent with the channel. Drop videos Monday at 8 o'clock a.m. You know, please respect that sometimes I don't want to upload a video if it's not worth uploading. I'm not looking to clickbait you guys. I'm not looking to pull content out of my behind or anything like that. You know, so yeah, I just want to keep it real with you guys, and I feel like that's the way that it should be. So again, like, comment, subscribe. Be sure that you click on one of these videos that you're watching, whether it's over here, or the up next tab. There will be videos over here. With that being said, I appreciate you guys, and until next time, I will see you wonderful people later. Peace out.